Hi, I am Kashif and welcome to Kashif Hasnain YouTube channel. Today we will be discussing about the programs being offered by Harvard University. Around 67 courses are being offered by Harvard University and you can join them totally free of cost. So watch the video and see the details. Dear friends, so today we will be discussing about the courses offered by world's top-notch university, that is Harvard University, which is offering online courses totally free of cost, and how you can join them. So let's start. In the start we'll go on Google and type Harvard University. Following results will appear and we will click on Harvard University and this page will appear. On this page we'll go a bit downward and see the online courses. So we'll click on view courses and this page will appear. You can see Harvard online courses and the tagline, advance your career, pursue your passion, keep learning. So we'll scroll down. These are some of the featured courses and these are the subject areas where Harvard University is offering different online courses and different faculties like arts and design, business, computer sciences, data science, education and teaching, health and medicine, humanities, mathematics, programming, science and social sciences. You can select any of these or you can click on view all courses. We'll click on view all courses and this page will appear. Here you can see online courses and there are some headings like subject area, price, start date, school duration and difficulty level. In the subject area you can find all those faculties which were mentioned in the previous page. Like you can go and select art and design, business, computer sciences, data science, education, teaching, any other field. Secondly, there's a price tag that either you want to take it free or paid, then started, either you want to enroll in a course which is available now or within next week, within 1 month, within next 3 months, within next 6 months or an year. Then schools like Harvard Faculty of Arts and Sciences, Harvard Business School, sort of that, whatever faculty you want to join, whatever the school you want to join. Then the duration of the course, like you want to join a course which is of maximum of 2 weeks or 2 to 4 weeks, or you can see all these things. And difficulty level, like introductory level courses you want to search and enroll, intermediate level or advanced level. So we will select only this one, like as you see that you can find different courses, 135 results, and see some courses are free and some are paid, like 30. So before going for free I will click on paid and see what kind of paid results we get. These are the courses you will see: cognitive fitness $30, 6-week plan for healthy eating $30, back pain related courses of $30. And if we scroll down we can have an idea about some expensive courses like cybersecurity, managing risk and information age, that is $2,800. And some more expensive courses are also available, like $1,000 sustainable business strategy if you want to enroll in it. Then managing evidence, a CAEL module, that is 2,250 dollars and it's 12 weeks long. Then again this is $2,250 course. So we will go back and we will click on the free, we will uncheck paid one and we will select the free one. So we will have few categories, like very interesting courses are being offered. Total 67 courses are being offered by Harvard University, that is totally free of cost, which includes CS50 introduction to game development, very interesting course. And I would appreciate if you are if you have any sort of interest in game development, then you can enroll in it. It's totally free of cost and world's top-notch university is offering this course. You can also enroll in web development with Python and JavaScript. You can enroll in mobile development with React Native. Very trending topics. Then lessons from Ebola, this is related to development sector. Then non-profit financial stewardship webinar. Then introduction to computer sciences. Then some religious related courses: Judaism, Hinduism, Christianity, China and communism. Then contemporary China. Then Sikhism, architecture, imagination, pyramids of Giza. Then child protection, These are some of the courses. Then I will go on the next step. I will go on page 2. Following courses will appear, which includes CSP for lawyers, then malaria X, science and cooking, then the FDA and prescription drugs, improving global health, focusing on quality and safety, fundamentals of neurosciences part 1, fundamentals of neurosciences part 2, introduction to data wise, a collaborative process to improve learning and teaching, Shakespeare, Merchant of Venice, then Monteverdi's L'Orfeo and the Birth of Opera, Handel, Messiah and Brock on oratorio, humanitarian response to conflict and disaster, then Beethoven, Ninth Sympathy and the 19th century orchestra, then backyard meteorology, the science of weather, then Shakespeare, Othello. Then if we go on third page, this page will appear. Stravinsky, Rite of Spring, using Python for research, the health effects of climate change, energy within environment, principles, statistical and computational tools for reproducible science, quantitative methods for biology, data science for probability and inference and modeling, then data science productivity tools, data science R basics, data science wrangling, data science linear regression, data science machine learning, data science visualization, data science capstone. Then the next page will open prediction next, fat chance, strengthening community health worker programs, introduction to probability, introduction to linear models, statistics and R, high dimensional data analysis, principles of biochemistry, Japanese book from manuscript to print, C50 introduction to artificial intelligence with Python. This would be interesting again. Mechanical ventilation for COVID-19, Shakespeare life and work, Shakespeare Othello, Shakespeare Merchant of Venice, Shylock, tangible things. In the last page, Shakespeare Othello again, contract law, then entrepreneurship and emerging economies. It would be important as well, what I think. The architecture, imagination, the art of persuasive writing and public speaking, justice and contract law, from trust to promise to contract. So these are the courses which I think I had to share with you. Hope you had liked the video and got some valuable information. Do hit the like button if you like the video. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please share it with your friends, share your feedback in the comment section, and do not miss to subscribe the channel so you can get the updates of my upcoming videos regularly.